Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will see how to make chicken tikka. Believe me guys, it's very delicious and tasty. So let's begin the recipe. Take a bowl, add half teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, half teaspoon finely chopped green chilies, salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Now add curd, half cup. This is homemade curd. You can also check the video in I button or in the description box. Add some Kashmiri red chili powder. If you don't have this, you can also use red food color. Mix it well. Now heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Now add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. You can replace this with our normal red chili powder. Now mix it well and immediately add this to the marination. Now our marination batter is ready. Add the boneless chicken 750 gram. Here I have 1 leg piece also. It tastes really good, so you can also skip this. Now mix this well. Make sure that every chicken piece is coated. Now put it in our regular fridge for 2 hours. Now 2 hours are done. Take it out. Now take a kadhai, add 2 tablespoons butter. You can also use ghee or oil. Let the butter melt. Now add this marinated chicken. Put lid on the kadhai and let it cook. See guys, after 2 to 3 minutes all water is released from chicken. Now we have to cook this chicken until all water gets soaked. Now our chicken is cooked well. Take it out and let it slightly cool down. Until it is cooling down, I have some soaked wooden toothpick. Soak it for half an hour. You can also use skewers and you can also fry it in pan. Now insert this chicken into the toothpick. Now we have to roast it like this. Now our chicken tikka is ready. Believe me guys, it's very tasty and amazing. You have to try it at home. If you like this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Do share with your friends and families. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.